Hello, I am Jitesh from Eicher Trucks and Buses. Eicher has set another benchmark in Indian commercial vehicle industry through its new revolutionary BS6 technology UTEC 6. This technology is based on the expertise of supplying more than 1 lakh Euro 6 base engines to the Volvo Group for over 6 years, which are successfully operational in 41 countries across the globe. Eicher Pro Series BS6 tippers and transit mixtures are available in a wide range of products, starting from 18.5 ton to 35 ton GVW, and are packed with many innovative features. The heavy duty tippers segment is rapidly evolving and becoming more demanding in terms of better fuel efficiency, higher uptime, faster turnaround time, along with driver's comfort and safety. Presenting Pro 8035 XM, built on the philosophy of Experience the Extreme, where XM stands for Extra Firm Mining. It is the next generation 35 ton GVW 8x4 tipper, targeting segments like coal mining, marble and granite mining, stone quarry, earthwork, irrigation, iron ore, port and limestone. It is available in CBC and various fully built up options with a wheelbase of 5 to 85 mm. Continuing with our core DNA of mileage ka Basha, Pro 8035 XM is designed to deliver up to 5% better fuel efficiency in the category. Proven VEDX 8 6-cylinder engine with Volvo Group's engine management system and vanadium-based compact box-type ease, delivering a maximum power of 350 horsepower at 2200 RPM and a flat torque of 1350 Nm at a wide engine RPM. It comes with intelligent features like fuel coaching, which provides real-time guidance system, and M-Booster Plus to optimize acceleration and maximize fuel efficiency. Energy-saving components like ESS compressor and viscotronic fan for reducing parasitic and mechanical losses. Pro 8035 XM is designed to deliver up to 3% better turnaround time, higher power to weight ratio and higher torque to weight ratio, help in higher average speed, ensuring better acceleration and more trips. Lower turning circle diameter, superior gradability and high torque at wheel ensure faster turnaround time. Further, heavy duty hub reduction rear axle and 2-stage interaxle and interwheel differential lock provides easy operations on tough and slushy road conditions and quick turnaround, as downtime is the biggest cost for any transporter. So Pro 8035 XM delivers superior uptime. Robust driveline and reliable aggregates ensure that truck is available all the time. Advanced onboard diagnostic system displays fault indicators in the form of audio-visual signals for preventive maintenance. 4-way engine protection system ensures engine safety and low maintenance. Long and synchronized oil drain interval of 1500 hours. Fully equipped Eicher service network, site support and innovative uptime center ensure your truck is available maximum time to experience the extreme. Pro 8035 XM provides more comfort and enhanced safety. ECE R29 crash tested cabin and all side mirrors for enhanced safety. Ergonomically designed cabin, improved suspension, cruise control, 6-way adjustable driver's seat, tilt and telescopic steering wheel and standard air conditioning for fatigue-free long drives. Intelligent driver information system which continuously guides the driver about the operational parameters of the vehicle. With our lifetime support solutions, we provide complete peace of mind through seamless experience from the time you think of buying an Eicher vehicle to the time you think of selling it. For queries, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or contact Eicher Care on 1800 102 3531.